Всем привет! Ну вот наш урожай кокосов. Я их только сейчас всех срубила с дерева. Вот они здесь росли. Маленькие, новые уже там отрастают. Будем надеяться с этим ураганом. Так что хоть что-то спасти, как говорится. Hurricane Milton is coming in. There's warning storm, so I decided to pick up all coconuts from the tree, so at least we get some of this. My son Dean, he was growing for 7 years, and this first year would actually give some fruit, and it's just ready to eat already. They have some milk inside. We have some new one is coming up, growing here. I don't know if it stay up to after hurricane. Valentina live from Palm Beach, Florida. Be safe during Hurricane Milton and hurricane season 2024. Live from your travel agent and realtor Valentina.